Hey guys, this is a special kind of video which I created to answer our subscribers' question, and this will be like a question and answer type of video. So I will try to answer the question one in a video. And the very first question is from Jam 2008, and the question is that a metamorphic rock contains a well-developed foliation which strikes north 30° east and dip 40° due southeast. The foliation plane contains a strongly developed mica lineation whose pitch is 90°. Show the foliation and lineation in one block diagram and determine the direction and amount of plunge for the lineation. As our viewer is mainly concerned for the calculation, we will go for the calculation. So before that, we will just recall our some basics like the relation between the strike and dip. As you know, the strike and dip have a 90° relationship, right? And the second thing is we should know what is the foliation and lineation. Actually, I had earlier made a detailed video in foliation, and soon I will be making a video on lineation. For time being, I will just give you a generalized outline that a foliation is a planar structure that is formed due to a deformation, like that can be due to a metamorphism or even due to folding and faulting. One of the best example for foliation is an axial plane, right? And a lineation is a linear structure and that also formed due to a deformation. So generally the foliation and lineation are secondary structures that is in formed in a rock due to any sort of deformation. Is that clear? As you know, foliation is a planar structure. For any planar structure in structural geology, we can go for a calculation of say strike and dip. That is why they are given in the question itself as strike and dip. And for linear structure, it is like a line, right? Like a single line. So for linear structure, we can go for pitch and plunge. So let us just recall what is the pitch and the plunge. As you know, the pitch is the angle between the strike and the particular feature, and the plunge is the angle of inclination of that particular feature from the horizontal. Is that clear? So with this outline, we will try to answer the question. So we'll just break the question in our regular way. That is, in the question, what they are asked for, what they are given is the strike and dip of a foliation plane and pitch of the lineation. And what they are asked for is the direction as well as the plunge of the lineation. Is that clear? Okay, so to solve this, we have to find out the true dip. Let me tell you why. The strike and dip, as you know, have a 90-degree relationship, but if you see the question, it is not actually perpendicular. See, this is say north, south, and east, west, and say this is the strike line. The strike line, what they had mentioned is north 30° east. Is that clear? So this is the north direction. From north, it is 30°. And for the dip you can see that is due southeast and the amount is 40°. So dip is due southeast, that simply means from south to east it is 45°, right? So the strike is 30° and the dip is from south 45°, and the difference is 105°, which is not perpendicular. So quite obviously what they had given is not the true dip, that is actually apparent dip but not the true dip. And once again we have to find out the true dip and also find out the true dip amount, because the pitch is what they are given is 90° from the strike. So in the pitch direction we have to find out the plunge of that lineation. So to solve this question we have to actually find out the true dip. So the true dip amount will be equal to the plunge of this lineation. Is that clear? Okay, so let's solve this question in this way. To solve this, we have three methods, that is trigonometric method, geometric method, and stereo projection method. And we already do some practicals in this type of topics. I will try to share the description link in the description, so you can just go through that, right? In trigonometric method, this is the simplest formula that we used to do. It is sigma is equal to tan inverse of tan alpha by cos theta, right? Here alpha is the apparent dip value, that is 40° that I have given, and theta is the apparent dip direction, and sigma is the true dip amount. That is what we are interested to find out, right? So let us solve this. That is alpha is 40°, that is in the question, and theta is 135. Let me tell you why it is given as say southeast. So if it is in north, that will be 0. If it is in east, then it is 90. As it is in southeast, that is 45° from the east. So we have to add 90 plus 45, that will be 135, right? So that will be the dip direction, that is apparent dip direction. Okay. So just substituting these values in this equation, what we will get is 49.887°, or simply you can keep it as 50°. So the true dip amount of the foliation plane is 49.887 degree. And as you know, the dip and plunge are equal in this sum. So the plunge will be like 49.87 degree. That is the plunge amount. And as you know, they are asked for the direction. And the pitch is given as 90 degree from the strike. As you know, strike is 30 degree. We have to add this 90 to this 30. So the answer will be north 120 degree east. So the pitch of the lineation is 120 degree and plunge is say 49.887 degree to be precise. Is that clear? So if you still have any doubt, just mention it in the comment section. I will try to answer and try to solve out that. And if you have any such a doubt in any type of question, just answer it, share it in the comment section. We will try to solve it in the same way of video. And as the number of questions continues, we will continue with this type of video series. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.